you having for breakfast?
I'm having watermelon, yogurt, and Fruit Loops.
Yum. Super yummy. Now what are we gonna do after this? Are we gonna go explore?
Yes. So we had breakfast, then we went to the lounging room.
Yeah, the observation lounge.
Yeah, the observation lounge. And
they have real flowers in there.
Yeah. Yes, they have real flowers.
And they have chairs that spin.
Yeah, it was really cool. And also Daddy, but in breakfast, he went to Starbucks to go get Mommy and Daddy something. And now we're just out here chilling.
We are neck and neck, 38 to 33. Are you gonna pick up the spare? All right, let me see. Let's see, 48.55. Last frame. I think Team Daddy's got the win here. Let's see. Oh!
Daddy won.
Yep, Daddy won. Okay, so now we're back in our room because we went exploring this morning and we explored everywhere, right?
And I saw somebody from the getaway, Miss Gummy Bear.
Yes, we saw Miss Gummy Bear and she remembered you, didn't she?
Yes.
Yes.
And then we went to the arcade and we played lots of fun games. And even though I got a caramel cup of caramel M&Ms.
Yeah, because they have like a candy machine.
Yeah, it's so.
Anyway, we explored and we did arcade, and now we're gonna chill until the water slides open, right?
Yeah.
Yay! So
Bye.
next up, water slides. Yay!
Bye. We went on the racetrack with a chicken on our head. We raced all around in a chicken helmet, and we raced around in a chicken suit.
So we just got back from an awesome dinner at Cagney's, which is one of our favorite places, and it was just a really fun day. We did a lot of the things that we wanted to do on the whole trip today. I think everybody had a really good time, and tomorrow we have another sea day, and we made a list while we were at dinner of the things we wanted to do tomorrow. And right now I'm warm and cozy in bed, and the list is on the other side of the room, and so I don't remember the things that are on it, but we will see tomorrow all the fun things that we're going to do on sea day number 2. Take a sea day for yourself times 2. And with that, I think Olivia's going to the kids club, and I think we are going to get comfy cozy and fixing to call it a night. Clocks go forward tonight. Yay! Not 8 time changes, but yeah, another good day. Yay! Night.